I think she's here. She's here.
No way.
Hey, Bonnie. Where's that Lord? Oh, no. So dork-sided.
What?
Dork-sided. Not of God. It's not Christians. Did you not ask if she believed in God? She's not a Christian.
She could be a Jew and believe in God.
It doesn't matter. She's tampering in dark-sided stuff. Yes, she did. The entire house is dark-sided.
She said her whole house is...
She is dark-sided, too.
Why are you mad at us?
This is my house. I want no money. I want nothing. I want my God and I want my family. This is tainted. I don't want it. Whatever it is, it's tainted. Whatever it is you give it me, I give it up to God. I'm a God warrior. And I don't want someone with tainted anything in beliefs doing anything with my family. Get out. Get out. I want these crew members leaving. Get these ear sets off of me. I've had enough. Gargoyles, psychics, everything's ungodly. Dark-sided.
I'm glad you're home.
Get the hell out of my house. In Jesus' name, I pray. I've had enough.
Mama, just sit. Mom, come sit with us.
Did you talk about astrology?
No.
Did you get hypnotized by her? I have taken a stand. I have taken a stand. I am not a fence rider. I was over there praying for all these people, but I needed prayer. I needed you to be
praying for
you. You give
Mom,
me.
I was praying for you every night. I was praying for you every
But
night.
I needed your prayers.
So it's my fault.
You did come to my mind. There was nothing of God. Every day it was nothing of God. I had to change the whole plans and make everybody go to a Catholic church because I was leaving. Took the ear sets off, said I am leaving. Fly me home.
Mama, just talk
We
to
had
us.
a party, a solstice party.
Well, she said that was about the moon. It was the longest.
Yeah, it's about the moon because they only believe in the moon and the gods and the this and the that.
Jeannie was not like that.
Her name is Jade. I went to her station. Her kids don't go to church or believe in God. I've been with her kids.
Well, she did.
Ashley, astrology.
Mom, I believe you.
Tarot card readings.
She didn't bring it up with us.
And if everybody would look back at everything I've been saying and preaching and praying and saying, I've been saying I am a spiritual warrior because I feel like I'm a spiritual warrior. Like I've had to put armor on just to walk out that house. I want none of this. I want out of this. Because you know what? I won't take some ungodly person telling me what to do with my money or that money for us. I don't want it in my house. It's tarot cards and astrology and witch books and
We had none of that here.
because you know why? Because I'm the warrior. I asked all the questions. Take the money, take whatever you got, and get out of my house. In Jesus' name, I pray. They will be on my prayer list for the day I die. Every one of them.
You spoke to her?
I speak that into existence, every one of them. I planted that seed and I will see the harvest. Get out of my house. Every dark-sided person, get out of my house. If you believe in Jesus, you can stay here. Don't stay in my house if you're dark-sided. I don't want to see a book of witches. I don't want to see anything, any stars. I don't want to see any of this dark-sided psychics, all the things, tarot card reading. I rebuke it in the name of the Lord.
Mom, come sit.
I am
like that. Come talk to us on our
I am a prayer warrior. Do you know what she is? You know what they do? Did you ask her, was she a Christian? Did you ask her, did she believe in God? Not gods, not stars, not witches, God. I've been educated while I've been gone. I've been educated on stuff I didn't even want you to hear, but you need to hear. You know why? Because Mama can't protect. They put me on the talk show and had a psych in the air. I took the ear sets off and said, I am flying home. I don't believe in this. Why don't you ask? Why am I the... I'm always the one that asked all these things. I'm the one that's the warrior. Why can't you be the warrior? And then they had this wonderful star thing, okay? And there's Buddha, and there's the Buddha flag, and then there's the zoology. It just goes on every day. It was something ungodly. I was thrown in the pit. Thrown in the pit. You couldn't even walk up the front door without the Buddha flags here. He thinks he's been reincarnated. Nothing of God. I felt